Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create Canva template links that other people can open, edit and use. This is really important if you want to sell digital products or Canva template on Etsy, Gumroad or other websites. A lot of beginners design beautiful templates in Canva, but they don't know how to share template links. So in this video, I'll show you the full process step by step in a very simple way. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what a Canva template link actually is. A Canva template link allows other people to use your design without changing your original file. So when someone clicks your link, Canva automatically creates a copy of the design for them. This is super useful if you sell digital products, create social media templates, work as a freelancer, or make content for clients. Instead of sending your original design, you send a template link and people can edit their own copy. Very simple and very useful. Okay, let's jump into Canva. The first I click on create custom size. Most of the time I choose 8.5 11-inch, but it depends on your design. Create new design, and okay, I want to change the background. I try to choose this one. You can also change it's more darker or lighter. Just click 2 times here and it's lighter and or darker. It's up to you. I just choose this one is okay. And after that, just write my text. Thank you. And then change the font and size, both of them. You can change it bigger or it's again, of course, it's up to you. And add another text. I just write. Click here to edit your template. Then I choose elements and then go to shape. Most of the time I choose this one because it's I like the shape of this. It's up to you. You can choose another one, cloud or a star or something like this. Change the color or this one. I just choose this one. If you want to round this shape, you can click on this and click here to more round, you can see, or like something like this. I like this one, this shape. I like this, is okay for me. Okay, and you can add another thing to be more beautiful. Just go again to elements and go to graphic. I wanted to show you, for example, I want to add a spring. Sometimes you don't need to buy Canva Pro. You can also choose another image like this one. I wanted to choose this one. It's beautiful, I think, because most of the time I use this for my planner. And if you like some image here and you don't like the color, you can click on this and just click here to change the color, for example like this, and add another things. I wanted to just make it a little bit more beautiful. I try to add another thing like butterfly, like a star or something like this. Or maybe this one also. Most of the time I also use a star. It's like this. It's a little bit beautiful. Copy and paste. Put here. Paste. Again paste. You can cover all of your background, and sometimes if your text is not so clear, you can click on the star and click right and then put to back, or you can click here position and to back. It's okay, it's enough. Okay, how can I share this with you? Click on share button. And the first, I wanted to put the link on this file. The first, there is a copy link and template link. Don't use copy link, because copy link, you can share your original file, the link of original file with people, and they can access your original file and they can change it. And I think it's not a good idea to share this link. So the first, you just click on template link. If you cannot see the template link, you just click on see all and template link. Create template link. It's okay, copy then copy, and after that again come back to your template, click right and click on link and paste your link. Done. That's it, it's finished. So how can I share this one with you? I can again go to share, download, and don't download in PNG or JPG, because it's not a good idea, and it doesn't work. The link doesn't work in two type of PNG and JPG, so it's better to download PDF standard or PDF print. But PDF print is for planners, for something like this, but for the template link it's better to use PDF standard. Okay, we are waiting for the download, and after that I wanted to show you, and then you should to, okay, it's here, and you should to test it. Click here, this is my PDF that I show you. Click here, it's work or no. Okay, you can see it's work and it's finished. So if you are interested in using this template for your own shop, feel free to customize, edit in any way that fits with your brand or style. I'm going to share this template in the description so you can easily access it and to get started. Alright, that's it. I hope this video helped you learn how to create Canva template link step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about what video you want next. And again, don't forget to check the free Canva template in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.